types of soil. There are basically three types of soil: sandy, clay, and loamy. Let's take three samples of a soil and examine them one by one. We can see the first sample contains greater portion of bigger particles. So this is a sandy soil. Its water holding capacity is low, therefore very few plants grow in it. Let's observe second sample closely. It contains relatively higher proportion of the fine particles. So it is a clayey soil. It is very sticky and has no spaces between the particles to hold air. Therefore plants cannot grow properly in it. Now let's observe third sample closely. It contains equal proportion of both bigger and fine particles, so it is a loamy soil. Among all the three soils, loamy soil has humus in it, which makes it fertile. Also, it can hold both water and air. Therefore, plants grow very well in loamy soil.